Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we dive into the world of DIY skincare and healthy skincare tips. My name is Iklima and today we are making 50% citric acid solution. This solution can be used in adjusting pH level in your DIY skincare products. So first and first, make sure you are using protective gloves because citric acid is an acid and 50% is quite concentrated and can be irritating to the skin. Here we are measuring our citric acid. For this solution, we are using 1:1. So we are making 100 grams batch size. So we are measuring 50 grams of citric acid. If you are making 200 gram batch size, know that your citric acid will be at 100 grams because we are making 50% citric acid concentration. So your citric acid will be as equal as your solvent used to dissolve the citric acid. And here we will measure our distilled water at 50%. That is 50 grams of distilled water. Our citric acid dissolves sparingly in distilled water. We use distilled water in almost all our skincare formulations, and here I've put way too much water. I'm trying to get the right measurement at 50%, that is 50 grams. So after that, when you have your right measurement of citric acid at 50 grams, or rather at 50%, and your distilled water at 50%, you will then slowly add your citric acid into the distilled water. Citric acid into the distilled water, not water into the citric acid, please. Okay, so you will then stir till it's completely dissolved. Citric acid normally take 3 minutes or less to dissolve. And for the record, citric acid solution is as important as any skincare ingredient you bring in formulating any skincare product, because like I said, citric acid is what we use to adjust the pH of our skincare products like lotions, creams, soaps, and toners. So I'll be using this solution in most of my upcoming videos, so that is why I said let me share the recipe. So here we are dissolving our citric acid. It's almost ready. So while you are watching, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and like my videos. This will make me happy, and it will support my channel, and also it will encourage me to post more amazing content. So right here we have our already dissolved citric acid. As you can see, it has already dissolved. So right now we can just package, and we have our citric acid solution. So like I said, the citric acid is very, very, very much in handy when you're formulating skincare products. So you don't want to start formulating skincare products without having citric acid solution in place, because like I said, is very, very important, because you finish formulating and the pH of your product is way high, and you need to adjust it. So that's it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.